I have a good one. Who's your favorite, Kelsey or me?
Oh! Well, I still have my job by the end of this.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And my name is Daniella.
And my name is Justin.
And we're the Sorry Girls.
Sorry team.
Today we decided to do a little get to know the team as well as
Get to know our tolerance for spicy things. You guys have asked us in previous videos who we work with because these guys make appearances in videos and vlogs, and we thought what better way to do it than to ask these guys questions about themselves while eating spicy things.
/ this is just like team lunch right now.
So what's the first one that we're working with? Oh, by the way, these are vegan chicken nuggets.
I'm just gonna coat my stomach
Let's
with some
pour
good old
everyone.
almond milk.
Kelsey's already admitted to us that she doesn't like spice.
And if spice doesn't like me. Okay.
The first one we're gonna start with is this one, don't get it wrong. This is what, just the wing sauce that the vegan chicken nuggets came with, and it has 0 spice.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, we're not doing this.
No.
Finger.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, so spicy.
Wow. These chewing sound effects though.
ASMR.
Okay, so I think we should go around and everyone say like your name and what you do here at the Sorry Girls. You are.
Oh, my name is Kelsey. I am co-founder of TheSorryGirls. We incorporated in 2015, but we started our channel in 2010. And Becky and I both handle kind of production and obviously are on screen. This is so weird. I feel like I'm in a meeting and talking to all these people that don't know YouTube. Oh, the mic.
Hi, so I'm Justin. I handled the video editing for the Sorry Girls. I was their intern last year, and
We liked him so much. He's back.
I'm back.
I'm Daniella. I do social media, amongst other things, photo editing.
Also an intern, but now full-time employee. 'Cause
Yep.
She's awesome
There's
as well.
a pattern. We all went to the same school.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Becky.
Yes.
Well, I said what I do.
Oh, me. Hi, my name's Becky. I'm also co-founder of the Sorry Girls. I'm on camera and I make cool things, but I also help produce that kind of cool stuff. And I answer
Yeah.
emails a lot. Should we move on to the next one? Tabasco. Just
Tabasco.
Tabasco.
Which,
We're going top to bottom.
yeah.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Oh,
Cheers!
too late.
Teamwork,
Cheers.
come on.
Teamwork makes a dream work.
Okay. Yeah, I know already. I'm in for it.
I thought you liked spicy stuff.
I like it. Doesn't mean I can handle it well.
We're in for a treat.
I feel it already.
Whatever. Fill me up, girlfriend.
I ran a milk, so let's
Justin
go.
does not need milk.
I mean, I don't need milk.
Okay, so we asked Community Tab to send us some questions that you wanted us to answer while we're doing this. Okay, one of the questions is how much time does it take to make the DIYs, shoot the video, and I'm gonna tag on, edit the video and pictures.
We come up with an idea, we have to shop for it, and then we have to film it. We combine our videos when we're shopping for them and everything. Well, let's say it's like 1 day for prep, and then it's usually a day, sometimes a day and a half to shoot, depending on the video. If we're talking like Law 5, Style Selected, but for our smaller series like Dollar Store and Thrift Flips and stuff, yeah, a day and a half to shoot. Then we give Daniella the photos that we took.
And that typically takes me like half an hour to edit the photos.
She's quick.
And the blog post, which is another, depending how long the video is, like another half hour maybe.
And then edit.
It usually takes like a day to finish an assembly and a rough cut, and then you finalize it during the second day.
Then he'll show us cuts, and we'll
Yes.
give notes, and we'll
Yeah.
go back and forth until we get a final product. So
If you guys wonder why we don't post daily,
that's why
Oh.
3 a week is really tough for us, but we're working on that.
should we wing up? Wing up! This next one is what, number 7? Cheers,
Cheers.
Is it bad?
That one was not bad. That
I
was
can't
not.
taste.
You didn't put enough.
Or maybe that coating of milk.
Also, maybe we should like rub these in before we like.
Sounds
like
like
get
you're
it right
rubbing
in
it
there.
off.
No, I'm trying to spread it around.
Okay, question for you, Kelsey. Are you happy with your current team or are you looking to expand?
Happy with my team? Obviously, yes. Looking to expand. I feel like we could use an assistant just because there's a lot of stuff that Becky and I have to do, or all of us have to do that like I feel like somebody else could do. Just so that we can focus on making the videos because I don't like being stressed.
It's almost like we need another one of us, but they don't need to be on camera because the screen's already full enough. Question for you, Justin. What's been your favorite video to edit when you
Ooh,
interned?
good
Ooh,
question.
that's a really good one. So I love editing all the vlogs, of course, because like that's where I could like actually be creative and just add in like my little graphics. It was the boho. It was
Wait, which
super
one?
slow.
Oh, the Bachelorette.
Bachelorette. There we go. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was fun in real life, so I can imagine it would be fun to edit.
At what point did you decide that we need to add to our team?
when we couldn't do anything else creatively because
Yes.
we were like so busy doing the actual like work side of things. We were spending our days like editing and like doing Instagram and like all these things that you could never see the benefits of them online.
Mine's like a little bit more like sad. When I realized that I was working a lot and coming home from like our day of filming and doing in-office work and then coming home and like editing.
Yeah, it's like
And I was
all
like,
you did.
oh, I have no life. Like this is not making me happy. So I was like, something needs to change. And I was like, I think if I don't have to edit anymore, I'll be a lot happier.
Yeah.
Wing up.
Wing up.
Okay,
What's up next?
Dave's insanity.
Which the name alone terrifies me.
I'm so not happy.
Who is Dave and why is he so insane? Oh boy!
Let's spread that.
Weddy.
Wedding.
Cheers,
Cool,
everybody.
Cheers.
I'm puking.
Is it bad? I'm just waiting for Kelsey's reaction.
Whoa.
Yeah?
That's hot. That's hot.
Oh yeah.
I hate it.
Oh.
Be chill.
Trying to. A single tear rolls down my cheek. Oh yeah, there's a leg kick. Oh yeah, there is.
How are we doing? I can't speak. Oh my god. What? This just keeps getting worse. Wait, this is the worst idea.
This was your idea, Becky.
Oh my god, you're crying.
No, I'm not drinking it.
Chase with high fives.
Give me some chase. I think we lost a team member.
No, I'm back.
I don't know if I can do it. So funny. My mouth burns so bad. It's so bad, you guys. How are you guys so
Next
fine
one.
with this?
That's when you know you hired the right people.
Apparently to be hired, you have to like have a good spice. You guys have to ask questions. I can't handle
We're the
it.
ones that are dying.
What's the funnest video you've ever filmed?
This one.
No, it's fake news.
Or I guess most interesting?
I can't think.
I really liked doing that picnic basket one because we got to eat a lot of really good cheese. I feel like this is spicing up my brain.
Next question.
Wait, tell them some dirt on the photos you edit.
They took some photos in Becky's house, and they have edited her floor to be cleaner. It's still dirty.
Oh yeah, what's the weirdest thing you photoshopped?
Kelsey's bun.
Oh yeah!
Kelsey had like space buns one day, and in the photo that we liked, the bun was hidden by, I guess, her head. And
Yeah.
I showed Kelsey the photo, and she's like, "Can you add a bun?"
And I was like, that one's cute, but I want it.
And I added a bun, and it turned out good.
So another question is like, do we film all of our videos, and if not, who filmed?
Well, Becky and I film most of them. It's pretty easy to tell, like if one of us is on camera, then the other one's filming. We have freelancers, so again, like we don't have the need for a full-time videographer. Editor-wise, because we just got Justin, who's full-time, before Justin, we used Ashley, who you guys should check out. She has her own YouTube channel called Best Dressed. Ashley's great, and she's still doing some of the videos since we do 4 a week. It's hard to edit 4 videos a week, especially with quality.
Sorry, I'm just picturing you spitting out that milk. While we're talking about a team, and this might still be interesting, we have a manager that manages us. We're not with like a YouTube network.
Ruben.
His name's Ruben, and he's awesome.
Yay!
Yeah, I think that's something that's interesting that makes us a little different than some YouTube channels.
There was a question that was like, "You guys on the weekends don't hang out with each other."
Because I see you guys every day. I don't need to see you on the weekend.
Okay,
the last one.
I have to wonder how it can get worse.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
that's what I
still feel
thought
those?
after Tabasco. What am I gonna do? Like, I hope you guys realize I'm gonna be out of commission for the rest of the day. Like, I need to go for a nap now.
We've come this far. I do feel slightly recovered. We eat the last nugget, we end the video, and we die.
Wing up!
Wing up!
All right, everybody. Cheers to hot sauce death.
Scared.
I'm so scared.
I do the whole thing.
Else we don't care. Do we care?
No,
Honestly, it's not
Okay.
bad. I just
Wait for
tasted
it.
pretty much all wing.
I don't taste it.
We're gonna get it, guys. We're gonna get it.
Uh-oh. I don't taste it either. I'm
Did
scared.
something wrong. I don't taste it. I don't taste it.
Let's do another one.
Well, thank you guys for tuning into our version of Hot Ones.
I hope you got to know our team a little bit better. And if you have any burning questions, you can leave them below. Maybe we'll do a round 2 of this, or maybe not, since we literally barely survived this one.
Okay, thanks for watching.
If you liked it, like it.
Guys,
Fire!
fire!